So far we've looked at pulling object links into the text narrative in Waku. We've also looked at grouping objects thematically in Ahako. Next, we're going to look at annotation. Each annotation process is a little different depending on the media type of the object. I'm going to look at tweets first. To create a new annotation, click on this Add Note button and type in the text for your annotation. When you're done, you can click this check to save it, and then click on the note again if you want to edit it. To add an external link to the note, I can click this link button, the same as we did in the text tray. To link to another object, I can just drag that object into the text box. And if I wanted to add another note, I would just click on Add Note again. You can also tie the notes more directly to the object. With tweets, I can highlight a specific word to draw attention to it, and then Waku will automatically generate a note where I can type in more context for the highlighted section. To remove or change the highlighted text, I'll just highlight it again and it will go away. And if I go back to the viewer and I'll pull up that tweet, and you can see that the note and the highlight now come up. Next, let's look at images. I'll use this uncropped photo of a house. So here I'll create a note in the same way as I did with tweets by clicking on the Add Note button. And with images, if I want to attach the note to a section of the image, I just click and drag. And if I hover, you'll see that that area is selected. If I want to remove the highlight, I can just click on it again. I can also highlight multiple areas, and again, I can delete them. Next, we'll look at articles. Annotating articles is similar to tweets because you're working with text. You create a note in the same way. I can select a certain part of the text in the article, and it will be highlighted, and I can then attach a note. So here, I'm going to create a link from the text narrative to this article so that we'll be able to see it in the viewer. And then if you open up the viewer and select the article, you'll see the notes. And when you click on the note, it will automatically take you to that point in the article. Annotating websites is a little bit more complicated because you need a screenshot of that website. I'll use this one and click to open it in a new window. Then I take a screenshot. If you're on a Windows computer, there's a button on the keyboard you can press to take a screenshot. It's labeled Print Screen. Or you can use the snipping tool that comes with Windows to save a portion of the website as a JPEG. On a Mac, you can press Command-Shift-4 and then select an area of the screen. So now I'll go back to my Waku editor and upload the screenshot. And then I click to confirm the upload. And once a screenshot is uploaded, I'm able to annotate it like I would an image. So here's my screenshot. Let's say I want to annotate a specific headline. I can just select an area. If I want to get rid of this screenshot and use a different one, I can click Remove Screenshot and then repeat the same process.